Well, good day, everyone. Welcome to our backyard. That's something completely different for you today. We've had floods and hurricanes and everything else, and the garden's a mess and just can't be motivated to do anything with it. But I received in the mail the other day one of these neat little Saker mini chainsaws to try out and review. So let's open the box and see what's inside. Okay, let's see what we got here. Got a charging cord. We have a Phillips screwdriver. We have a crescent wrench. We have a little bottle of something. I'm going to presume that it's probably chain oil. Ooh, look at this, Otis. Chainsaw all nicely packaged and ready to go. And the battery. We have some instructions and warnings too, so give me a second and I'll read through those and we'll give it a try. I still have a few pieces of fallen limbs here from Hurricane Fiona last year. So let's see what the chainsaw can do on them. Boy, smooth as a hot knife through butter. Got a piece here just a little thicker, so let's see what we can do here. Boy, oh boy, not a problem at all. Might as well keep on going and finish on this one. One thing I appreciate about the Saker mini chainsaw is that it has a little button here that you have to press in order to get it to move. So you can push the button or the trigger all you want, and nothing will happen until you press that button, and that makes the magic happen. One more piece here, and then we'll tell you what I think. Well, I can tell you, I'm no lumberjack, but boy, it works really, really well. So, 2 thumbs up and 4 paws up from Otis. Is that right, Otis?